You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, originally from French. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Two different ways of pronouncing it. It exists in French, it's pronounced caisson. In English, two different ways of pronouncing it. It's from engineering, caisson, caisson, or the more French sounding, and I believe it's the more American English pronunciation, caisson. Remember, the French pronunciation is caisson. In English, either caisson or caisson, two correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.